Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in today's video is all about how to set up and install your Eclipse Java software for Java developers. Now we would have started with IntelliJ IDE. Let me just go to the website. Now this is IntelliJ IDE. Now this is one of the best for Java developers. Okay. Now this has different kind of features, but it comes with a payment upgrade. So I recommend you use Eclipse for the start. Eclipse comes with most of the additional informations rather than this. This is also good for if you have the pricing. Now this is for enterprise. You get it. You can see the packages per year. But why Eclipse give you most of those informations you need. So IntelliJ IDE is for big established companies which want to be able to get a lot of more advanced tools can use this. But for beginners in Java, so we just have to set up our Eclipse and also our Java IDE. So let's go to Google, search on JDK, then go to Java, this Oracle here, click on it. It takes you to this section. So I have installed Java already on my MacBook. So I'm using Mac. If you're using Windows, you go to Windows. So ensure you install the latest version. Okay, ensure you install the latest version. So if you're using Mac, go to Mac OS. Then just download any of this. It will go to your PC. Then you install, which is easy to do. So after you've done that, now you go to your terminal. Just follow this setup. Just go after you've done that Java JDK. If you come to your terminal, then type Java. Be able to see information like this, meaning there is Java already on this platform. Meaning I can use JShell. You can see I can begin with JShell. And let me just show you something. If I put in my operandas and operators, now this is an expression, you get it. You'll be able to see our results, you get it, meaning we have Java installed already. So this is it. So the next section is go back to Eclipse. Let me just remove this our terminal. Okay, then after you install the Java, this is your JDK. Then go back to Eclipse. Go to Google search on Eclipse Java. Then you come to this section here. Okay, let me just go back here. Then go to this section. Then you can see. Then you come to download 2025 version. Good. Now this is download section here. Now this is the packages. So you have to download this package, which is Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. So you need this section. So if you're using Windows, you download for Windows or Linux PC. So I'm using Mac, so I'll just click on Mac OS and download this. So this is over 500 megabytes or plus. So I've downloaded this already. This is it. So I'll just go to my download file and install. Okay. So go to your PC, go to downloads, and this is the download file. So what you just have to do is you double click on it. Okay, just double click on it. Now you can see it has extracted and installed by itself already. So if you're using Mac OS, just paste this, just right click on this and move to the application section, so you'll be able to see it in your application folder. You get it. Like I see my application folder. Let me just put it anywhere for now. Okay. Now it's installing in the application section, which is this. So as you can see, it has been installed in our application section successfully. So I'll just X this section here. Come back here and X this section. Good. So I'll go to my application now and open Eclipse. Good. So I'll click on open. Good. So after you've launched your Eclipse, so I'll just click on this section. This is for the file location. I'll click on launch, allow. Good. So this is the Eclipse application. So let me just open this section. Good. So for the next section, let me just show you guys how to create a new Java project. So I'll just click on create new Java web project. So after you click on create Java project, then go to demo. Once you click on demo as your project name, or you add your project name of your choice, then you scroll down and click what next. You get it. Now it takes it to this section. Then after you've done that, here there's not much thing to do. You just click what finish. Open Java perspective. Click open. Good. So now the next section is you come to your demo. Now this is your demo. Alright, so the next step is once you come to your demo, you scroll down, you just take this arrow down, this is your drop down, and come to SRC. Then right click on it if you're using your Windows, or just tap on it if you're using your Mac. Then go to new, then go to package. Now this is a package name we created already. You get it. So we're not creating another create package underscore info.java. No, we can put it like this, or if we're using a different software like IntelliJ IDE, we have to create a package. But since we're using Eclipse, we don't need to create a package. So you come back here again and go to new, then go to class. Now this is the name you put, you give your class you want to let me just put app. It starts with capital letter, which is app. You keep it as public. Then which method stub would you like to create? So I will say public static, okay, which is my main method. After you've done that, just click what finish. Good. So this is it. Now this is our package name, this is our app name. Okay, now let me just show you guys something real quick on how to get started with your first Java project, so which is easy. So alright, before I continue with the code, I just want to show you guys how to add automation. Like for instance, if you want to print write your printout, if you put system, you see it's not coming out. You get it. So I'm just do a little trick. So go to your Windows section here. So what I did was, once you come to this section, Windows, that is if you're using Windows system. So once you go to Windows, you see something like preference here. So once you go to preference, you're able to set for the Java control assist. You see it and you're able to set it. Okay, but if you're using Mac, you come to Eclipse here. Then you go to settings. Then you type control assist. That's control as. Sorry, you just go back to content assist. Content, then assist. this is it. So you come under Java, under this Java here, then come to content assist. Now this section here, okay. Now you can see all our setup, setup here. You can check for things you also need, but I won't be going through those sections. Now you can see auto activation is active, but the problem here is the auto activation triggers for Java is just only dots. That's why you can see once you come to, let me cancel this. Once you come to this section and try to write your printout, you can see system dots. You're able to see the auto coming out, right? Now this is one of the information here. So I'll just take this out and go back again to Eclipse. Go back to settings. Then search on content assist for Java. Meaning you're going for content assist under Java. Then I'll click on it. This is it. Now what you do is go to your notepad. So this is my notepad. What I did was I start with small letter A to Z, then capital letter A to Z, then add dots at the ending, because you can see here there's dots here. So what you just have to do is you just copy and you come here, you delete this dot and just paste. Okay, so that is what you do, just paste. So small letter A to Z, capital letter A to Z, then dot at the ending. Then you click on apply here first. Apply. Once you apply here, then you click on apply and close. You get it. So this is how you add auto suggestion while coding. It helps you to get your code or what you're looking for quickly. So if I type S, now you can see, right? So capital letter S. So once I come back here again and just type south, this is for printing. This is for printout, to print out any information. Now you can see system.out.println. That is new line. You get it. Now this is the section here. So let me just write something here. Then you have to put in your colon, not colon, your symbol. Then let me just say loan calculator. Good. So I can just put this as capital letter. I want this low calculator to be in capital letter. Let me just put it low calculator. Then you add dots to it. Now this dot will bring out codes. You get it. It will bring out codes here. So I'm looking for code with upper words. Now this is it. Now that is a capital low calculator dot to upper class. So I'm using these strings. Good. You get it. Now this is it. So the next section is, let me just put let me do another printout as new line to give it space. Then I'll come down again. Here, let me just put an integer. Let me just put something age equals to 4, then semicolon. Let me put this as another integer. Then semicolon. Then let me just say here is double interest rate. So most of you guys will be familiar with this if this is your first time. So this is double. I'll just put it as 10.0. Good. Okay. So I'm not going deep on this. I just want to show you guys the benefit of using Eclipse. So I'll just come here and print this out again. So I'll just call out this figure. Let me just put in my colon inside and say loan calculator for business. You get it. So I'll just put this and keep space. Then inside this your parentheses, you just put in plus, you get it, there's space, put another colon to add space, then I'll just come here and put another plus and say, then I'll have to call in age plus yes. Now this is just for example purpose. Then I'll call in my interest rate, which is my double. So I'm printing this out. Okay, now this is it. Now the next section is we have to debug this to ensure what we did is correct. Now we can debug this or not. So just right click on this and just come as run as application. Now you can see, right? Now what we did was load calculator for business. Then we are calling out this section. Now you can see, right? We have our 4, 5. Why there is no space here? Because we did not indicate space. So let me indicate space so you guys will be able to see. So we have our age section here. Let me say age. No, then put age and add plus sign again. Then put here as comma. So if I do this again, if I run this again, you can see, right? So this is how it is. This is how it works. Now you can see the benefit of using the automation section and also using Eclipse. It's kind of easy at first, kind of complicated, but as time goes by, you're able to understand it better. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube channel. See you guys in the next video.